Listen here because I'm gonna give it to you straight. Pero ito yung top 3 reasons why I almost didn't do the Spain Digital Nomad Visa. It's your VA ate in Spain, and I know that a lot of you already watched my journey for the Digital Nomad Visa and my top 5 things. So I want to be clear that it's not for everyone, you know. So I want to share this top 3 things that you should really consider if you're thinking or researching about the Spain Digital Nomad Visa. And ito yung mga things will come after the application kasi alam ko a lot of people are excited to jump in or dive in agad sa application, but I think you should really consider these things first. So, first of all is the cost. Makikita nyo naman sa a lot of like YouTubers, everything is bofo, or a lot of TikTokers then and move here to Spain who's sharing their journey out there. Sinishare nila yung cost of living sa Spain, yung breakdown ng rent and stuff like that. Definitely, of course, I know na medyo iisipin nyo pa yun, but also think of the cost itself ng application. So, the cost of application, each documentation, kung pupunta consultancy or EY, and then of course, yung pag-move nyo mismo sa Spain, like the airline tickets, yung peak season, off-season sa pagpunta nyo, at yung best window time ng pagpunta sa Spain to make sure that you're making like sound decisions and getting the best deals out there when it comes to rental or of course yung sa tax payments and stuff like that. So always try to do the research on that part, and I'll create another video separately about that as well. Pero definitely that's something you should look over. Sunod naman natin is yung number 2 is yung bureaucracy. So like everybody, alam ko hindi easily available yung information out there about exactly step-by-step process. Minsan makikita mo yung step-by-step process, not really like the in-between parts. Like sasabihin na nila, get your clearance, yung mga ganun. Syempre magpapa-appointment and sometimes mahirap kumuha ng appointment. Yung mga nitty and gritty na yon, definitely do your research if emotionally ready for that commitment. Like sometimes it will take you like 3-6 months to process it. So definitely look into that. Of course, tignan mo din kung ano yung do's and don'ts when it comes to processing yung visa itself. So like, for example, mag-apply ka ba here in Spain, diretso, or mag-stay ka muna like Spain consulate in Manila ka mag-apply. So definitely, there's a